Gone are the days of dimly lit road signs, causing confusion and danger for drivers. The new fully lit road sign illuminates the entire surface area, providing crystal clear visibility even in low light conditions. Not only does this improve road safety, but it also reduces the maintenance costs associated with traditional road signs. The innovative lighting technology used in these signs is highly durable and energy efficient, making it the perfect solution for highways, intersections, and other busy roadways. This technology uses advanced LED lighting to evenly illuminate the entire sign, creating a highly visible and recognizable image for drivers, whether it's rain, snow, or fog. The fully lit road sign ensures that drivers can easily identify road signs and make informed decisions while on the road. Moreover, the installation process is straightforward and can be done quickly, minimizing disruption to traffic flow. Investing in this technology is a crucial step towards a safer road environment. It's time to upgrade to the fully lit road sign and give drivers the visibility they need to drive safely. Contact us today to learn more about this game-changing technology.